All right, guys, this is my first ever solo bike trip, and it's all set. There we go. Just let me put on the bag, wear gloves. I'm going to surprise my mom. It's okay. This is first Rosa. Pull it, pull it, pull it. So let's start. Just a second. Let me know neutral. All right, let's roll. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And I'm on the journey now. Yeah, there you go. I've said bye. And first thing first, sun is out. Oh my god, I did all this preparation, all this packing and all by not telling anyone. This is gonna be the best trip. Though my parents are going to be like worried all the time. It happens, no? But this is also not good. If you're going on these journeys, you must take good wishes from your elders. But I have all them. Bye, Via. I'm gonna wave to everyone. This is really amazing. It's around 7 in the morning. Bye bye to Gurgaon. And first thing, I just need to fill the bucket, the tank. And let me see if these shockers make my bag go aside from the seat, because I have managed to tie the trolley on the back seat. I have never seen, I have googled so many videos how to tie, but I didn't receive any of my queries answered in the Quora or something. The road is not good. The road is absolutely not good. I'll check the tire air pressure also. I am not going very far. It's gonna be like, I'll take breaks, and I have Rosa, so I need to take breaks. Soon it's going to be very hot, because right now it's just 7 o'clock, and the moment the sun goes up, the heat goes up. So people are running. I like this thing when the people go out in the morning and run, because running is what I believe. Running is the super exercise. Breakers and all. My god, it's it's amazing. This is going to be my first ever petrol, and it is 90. Hello भैया, 1000 का डाल दो. This is my first stop. Let me quickly write down a message to my brother that I am gone, and then I'm gonna continue the journey. It will take hardly 5 minutes. this is my first stop, maybe like 10-20 kilometers away from NCR. I'm heading to Muradabad for now. The next main station is going to be Garhmukteshwar, I guess. But so far, nice, enjoying it. So far the ride is going good. My throat is dry because of Rosa, and it's fun. It's exhausting because of the sun, but with hard time comes ease. And I have to charge my GoPro as well. 80 kilometers more to go. This place is Dadiyal. This is all covered with sugarcane field, and there is one canal. And if you don't believe me, I found one sugarcane. See, sugarcane, but I can't eat it because I'm fasting. Well, it's nice, yeah. This ride is also good here. I don't feel any uneasiness, but yeah, I'm thirsty. Soon it's going to be a hilly area, like maybe in half an hour I'm gonna be in the hills. By the way, I am not left with enough space, so I'm going to transfer the data and then continue vlogging. Enough rest. Now it's time to start for journey again. This time gonna go straight to the mountains. So, and have taken enough rest, transferred my data to the Mac, and now I'm gonna start. I hope I don't forget anything here. I should not. It's going to be a problem. Okay, well. अरे अंकल, क्या हुआ? लगी तो नहीं? हाँ? एक सेकंड, लग तो नहीं गई? लगी तो नहीं? एक सेकंड. कैसे गिर गए आप? अरे चढ़ाई थी ना यार, आप देखो नहीं. आराम से जाओ, आराम से. लगी तो नहीं ना? रुक जाओ यार. I've covered a lot, I've recorded a lot, but voice is not coming very clear, guys. is Sukatal. Sukatal taxi stand. We also have a petrol pump over here. Cycling is what I like, yaar. Cycling gives you the whole body ache. Biking gives you just a back ache. That's the thing. Manu Maharani is here. High Court is over there. And Monkey is also over here. Oh, it's cold, man. 10 degrees down. Maybe not even 10. 15 to 20 degrees down. In Delhi it was 38, 40, 38 max. And here it's gonna be like right now 18, 16, I guess. Not more than that. Okay, so Heritage Rickshaw stand. Nice. The cops are all ready. They are all set. Mall Road it is, guys. Mall Road. And this is the snooker point. The crazy place. And this is the Naini Jheel, guys. Enjoy. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Tourist ID. And please give me a side, yaar. I need to rush back home now. It's time for me to call everyone, see my mom. My god, give me the space. Oh my god, stop. No, you don't stop. If you stop, then we'll collide. Oh. Such a cold breeze. I like it. I'm wearing jacket and all. Still feeling cold. Not cold. It's like a sweet cold. This is Naini Jheel. You can have a look from here. You see that? Okay, that's it. Home. Ooh. See the heat. Goody. You've got a bike now. Where will I park it? Time to surprise mom. Okay, guys, I'm excited. Tired. Reached Nainital, and the perfect view is right here, guys. Just have a look. The mountains. I wanted to make it as a surprise for everyone. It turned out to be a blunder. It turned out to be more worse because my brother, he got really worried about me. Apart from that, everything is going to be fine, and I will convince him. Now I'm gonna take a shower quickly. You guys stay up and up. Now truck also came.